Hey guys, George D here, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to play Blitzkrieg Bop by the Ramones. This song is really only a few chords, so I think you guys will pick it up pretty quickly. And thanks for subscribing to my channel. I have a lot of videos coming up, and I don't think you guys are going to want to miss out. So without further ado, let's take a look at the song. Okay, so our intro and verse both use the same chord progression. It's made up of 3 chords, the first of which is an A major bar chord. Second is a D major bar chord. Third is an E major bar chord. And the chord progression and strumming pattern sound like this. So we're going from A major to D major to E major, A major to D major to E major, A major to D major to E major, A major, D major, A major. So A major, D major, E major 3 times, and then A major, D major, A major 1 time. Okay, so for the chorus, we're going to use the same chords that we used in the intro and verse. So A major bar chord, D major bar chord, an E major bar chord, and we're going to add a B minor bar chord. And our progression is going to sound like this. And then back into the verse. So D major, A major, D major, A major, D major, and then to B minor, D major, E major. And that's it. Really just 2 parts. I recommend learning both parts and playing along to the studio recording so you can get the full picture. And thanks again for subscribing to my channel. I'm really excited to teach these songs to you guys, and I hope these videos are helping. And remember, if you have any questions, like my video and leave them in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer them. And as always, keep practicing, and I'll see you next time.